While some kids are adorable and real angels, others can start to show dominance from an early age. The babies in this article prove that there's no age limit when it comes to strange behavior. It's better not to mess with her, or. My 5-year-old daughter brought this today. When the door in the bathroom got stuck, our 7-year-old daughter found a way out. Hey, Birdie, have you lost your mind? It's mine. When you are an ancient universal evil, and they make you dance. Kids can be so creepy. When asked about it, my 6-year-old niece told me they were trying to bring mommy back to life. My son got to meet Darth Vader. And when the Dark Lord of the Sith told him, "Join me, and I will complete your training," he reached out and held Vader's hand. Should I be impressed, or concerned? It's just an accident. What my 2-year-old daughter chose for her Halloween costume. This is how my son was sleeping. You may be immortal. Woke up at 3 a.m. and checked our daughter's crib cam. A little disconcerting. You must fight evil, not join it. My wife heard her name being whispered Natasha. She looked at the baby monitor to find our son like this. It seems this kid knows something we don't. Have you ever noticed a child behaving strangely? Share your stories with us in the comments.